Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to freeze rows and columns same time. Okay, so here you can see this is my Excel sheet. This is my column and this is row. I will show you how you can freeze it or pin it at same time. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below, guys. If you really like this video, please subscribe me and hit the like button. So in order to freeze Excel column and rows at same time, you have to use some, the option which is called freeze in Excel. So here you can see in view section, you will see the freeze panel. Okay, and you will see the three options like freeze panel, freeze top row, and freeze first row. Okay, so if you want to freeze column and rows at some time, you have to use freeze panel. So uh, keep cursor where you want to freeze. If I click in on this cell, if I click on this cell and use freeze panel option, then you can see that above four line will be freeze, and if I scroll left here, you can see the first three column has been freeze. Okay, so if you want to freeze only first rows and first column, so just unfreeze. I will show you. You have to keep you have to select the cell just below the first row, and now you have to click on freeze panel. You can see now only one cell, only one top cell has been locked now or pinned now. So you can see this done. And another freeze top and freeze column you can use for if you want to only freeze only top rows, or if you want to use this option can use only if you want to freeze only column. Okay, so how it's so I will show you. So I want to freeze only rows. I will show. Click on this, so you can see only rows has been freeze, column did not freeze. Okay, so same time you have to use, if you want to freeze the column only, you can see column has been freeze. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for